Genevieve Madigan. My animal is a penguin. A penguin is a bird that cannot fly but has flippers instead of wings, which makes it an excellent swimmer. All penguins live in the southern part of the world. Since they cannot fly, they avoid predators by living on land where there are few predators. A penguin's predators are mostly sea lions and killer whales. A penguin protects itself by blending in and hiding from its enemies. When a penguin is swimming, its white belly blends in with the surface of the water above it, and its dark back blends in with the dark depths of the ocean. Penguins all eat food from the ocean. Penguins are predators that eat fish, squid, and small animals called krill. A penguin gets its food by chasing it down, snatching it with their bill, and swallowing it whole. Penguins can sometimes act quite playful. Sometimes they will pop at split speed, swim really quickly, and pop themselves out into the air. On land, they will sometimes lie on their belly and go tobogganing down a snowy hill.
Very nice, just like our poem last week.
Yeah, those ones go tobogganing.
Oh,
And that's one purpose.
oh, okay.
You can't
So
see because of
these
the
are
edge.
tobogganing down the
You can't
hill.
see because of the edge.
I think you need to tilt.
Oh, nothing's gonna fall over, right?
But, yeah, those aren't move though. Those aren't move.
So, in the back they're tobogganing down the hill, and then what's this penguin in the front called?
He's porpoising.
Oh, he's...
Porpoising.
Oh,
And that's how they sometimes get on manuscript.
very, very neat. Wow. All right, let's give Genevieve a big round of applause. And does anyone have a compliment, a question, or a fun fact they learned about penguins?